Hello friends, the rainy season has arrived, so let's learn about it. It comes after the summer season and gives us relief from the scorching heat. It starts in the month of July and lasts till September. The rainy season is also known as the monsoon season. During this time, the sky is mostly covered with dark colored clouds, and we often hear sounds of lightning with tremendous and huge thunder. Rainbows can be often seen during this season. Ponds, lakes, and rivers receive plenty of rainwater during the rainy season. It also helps farmers as they get enough water needed for the good cultivation of crops. Rainy season gives us fruits like peaches, plum, lychees, and cherries. We use raincoat and umbrella to protect ourselves from the rainwater and not get wet. Kids enjoy the rainy season the most as they get to jump in the muddy puddles, and make paper boats to float them in the rainwater streams. Can you guess the creatures which can be often seen during the rainy season? Yes, they are frogs, snake, earthworm, snail, and slug. Now go to the nearby park or garden and tell us how many of these can you find in the comments below.